Been shut up all day.
They're wonderful.
Huge.
They're magnets.
Yeah.
They're beautiful.
Did you car cars? Hello? Yeah,
I want them going up the wall like
You can put them anywhere you want.
fish.
the three fish.
Have a
Very
look,
nice,
because
aren't
of the cat.
They're beautiful. Thank you, Millie, little girl. And Fluff, wherever you are. Two things you can't say. Fluff and Jesus. Oh, Fluff and Jesus.
You know,
Oh, Jesus. Fluff.
I just fluffed Jesus.
Oh, fucking, that was good, Paul.
They're beautiful. Thank you very, very much. I love them very, very much.
Oh,
They are.
That
They
would
are,
go with your garden.
they are so me, aren't they? Did you look and think Stephen will love them?
Well, why have you got them?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe just thought, oh, that's cheap.
No.
lots of love.
Well, it's,
I looked at them and thought, people love them,
yeah.
like them.
You could hold my camera.
Just something little.
Have you got something little?
Put in your garden.
It's a little peace bird.
Thank
I don't know if the camera can pick this up.
I forgot what her
Fucking
name
birds.
Buddha. That's
Krishna? No.
that's the other one. The other one that's not Buddha.
Other Buddha.
Shiva.
I think it is. Didn't she have 8 arms?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's a bit
They're hiding
sacrilegious
under the
on
cake.
Christmas, giving away gods, other gods. You should have given him Jesus.
No, but that's what she knows that.
Don't
That's
mention
what,
Jesus.
No, in the garden. I thought
worships.
Jesus is not in the garden.
Jesus'
Paul's
birthday.
got all these little corners, and when I was sitting there having a smoke, and
Yes.
I just thought you should
saw
sit
all
and
my
have a
little
smoke.
corners.
Yeah, I know. I love checking out your corners.
You can look at my corners anytime.
I've never seen anyone, right? He's got little, everywhere you look, there's something,
Little bits of
there's
shit
something there
In a
everywhere.
nook.
Yes. Every space has got something there.
I love that, Julie. That's beautiful. I really love them.
No, but do you really, really love them?
No. I really, really, really love
But do
them.
you like?
Well, I thought they were
Really, really, really,
fantastic.
Really.
Yes, I really, 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 really love them.
Really.
I've got
Pregnant
another
is
present.
I
something
love
big.
that. Pregnant. I mean, I can't. And it gets pregnant, and then the.
To Stephen, lots of love from Julie.
Put it on. Put it in the dirt, and that'll grow. And that'll grow.
Oh, it's from that same series.
We were talking about it on the phone. About a month ago.
Oh, it's Hope. Hope Logan at a Bold and the Beautiful.
Whore.
Can you hold the camera?
Sure, I can.
You can't say whore on Christmas either.
I can hold the camera. Is it going to be one more night? Rosalie.
Is it going to be one that I
Rosalie.
like?
I'm sure it will be. Did you keep the receipt?
Oh, that's cute.
Oh, look, it's got. Oh, that's gorgeous.
Little balloon boy.
Hope boy. Balloon.
It's a little balloon boy. That's really great with writing behind it. Yes, that's a good idea. Oh, look, right. You can read it. It says Hope. Actually. Oh, he's so cute. We must have a look. I think it says, what does it say? Shut up, stop. Thank you, Julie. That's a bit expensive.
Very expensive.
Okay.
Well, there?
No, because you said no presents.
Did you? I must have missed that memo.
What?
Nothing, you're talking to my book.
I must have missed that memo. That's yours.
Oh my goodness.
Yours.
Oh,
won't know how to put it back in. I'm a bit like Mum.
Oh, that's one. Great. That's a DVD, that one.
Oh,
Gross.
Right.
Oh, I'll be telling everyone that he's a centipede.
Oh, how fucking
No.
disgusting
Gave me
is that?
that.
How disgusting is it?
I told her. I
I
told
know.
you it was sick.
You said it
I
was.
told you it's
and
one of
it
the
was-
sickest things I've ever seen in my life.
I love it. Cats have stuff.
You've gone a bit overboard, haven't you?
Oh, you filthy wog. I love that. Oh! This is the most presents I've got all day.
That's because no one loves you.
I know.
Oh,
Oh, look at that.
What do you think of that glue, Stephen?
that's nice. Thank you. I haven't had a sip so far with all the
And
frivolities.
I gave you a pregnant onion.
Yeah, and that's what I wanted.
But it's special. I know people think I'm stupid.
No,
What?
Tell me when you bring the cheese out.
Shut your guts.
Tell you when to bring the
It's
what?
Christmas.
Julie, tell me when you bring the cheese out. Is that what he said?
Tell me when you bring the cheese out. Shut your guts. It's Christmas.
This is how we do it in Australia. In Australia,
I'm unwrapping fucking presents.
it's always me, me, me.
I'm unwrapping my fucking present.
Yeah, you should be unwrapping your present too.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
You know what Sandra got me? An outdoor setting and a gazebo.
Oh, really?
I see.
That's a bit full on.
Big comfy chairs, glass table, and a big fuck off gazebo. The box was longer than this house.
No worries.
And yeah, Adam's kept bringing it down on his truck.
Wow.
Isn't that the cutest thing?
And I'll touch that.
Oh, Paul.
Does it do anything?
Yes. I don't know if the battery's ready for this one. This song is really obscure, but I just thought it was so gorgeous. You should. This is very interesting.
Isn't that the cutest thing?
The way he swags his
He's got a
hips.
tail. I love it.
More kissing.
Yours is
ginger.
Thank you.
Oh, have I got one
I love
too?
it. I do. I love it, love it, love it.
Have I got one too?
Yeah,
Oh, you've
I told
ruined
you
it
I
now.
I told you I got your same stuff.
I wasn't listening.
Did you see that, Ron? The dancing cat. You want to hear it again?
Oh, lovely. Oh, thank you. It's very nice. And it's got rubber buttons as well.
It's cute, isn't he?
Beautiful. Thank you very much.
It's alright.